pandemic when the whole world is trying to get vaccinated soon, state like West Bengal is facing an acute shortage of vaccines. I am Troide from the Cub Reporters Club. Let's take a look further on this topic. The questions on which we will discuss the topic is how Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee respond to COVID second wave. Does Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee become successful to prepare before the second wave?
Numerous medical and policy experts said the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's government had failed to prepare for the second wave as they don't even implement any strategy before the second wave. As the second wave began to spread across the country, West Bengal was no exception. By May end, doctors and hospitals in West Bengal still complained of a lack of COVID beds, inadequate testing facilities and a shortage of vaccines, oxygen cylinders and trained healthcare staff. The state recorded its highest single-day spike on 14 May with 20,846 new infections, over 5 times higher than last year's highest surge. That day, the state conducted 70,051 tests, less than twice as many as last year.
In Kolkata, nursing homes like Woodlands are buying vaccines directly from the providers and charged Rs 1,500 for a single dose. On the ongoing pandemic, another question which raised from the topic is that did election rallies in West Bengal lead to the spread of the second wave?
In West Bengal, there's a clear upward trend in daily coronavirus cases started by mid-March and then very sharp increases afterward due to the continuation of rallies. By mid-March, almost every day rallies was witnessed in the state. Political campaigners and other people were seen not maintaining COVID safety protocols. Wearing masks was avoided by the people. Bengal was the only state which saw a decline in daily testing when the campaigning started. As vaccination process in West Bengal became a worry, where the state is facing an acute shortage of vaccine, many were given the later date of vaccination.
Another question is that whether West Bengal succeeded in providing vaccines to its citizens.
Well, doctors in West Bengal has claimed that COVID vaccine manufacturers have said they will not be able to provide vaccines until June as the state government and private hospitals look to begin phase 3 of the vaccination drive from May 1st across the country. Due to scarcity of doses, the administration has decided to inoculate those who are above 18 and only if they are in the priority group. After being in the long queues for almost 5 to 6 hours outside the vaccination centers, many were told to go back as the stock was over. As the data revealed by the state government, at least 670,000 people were due for the second dose of Covishield vaccine, while another 160,000 were due for the second dose of Covaxin. The total number of second doses is due around 379,000. Maximum overdue of the amount of the second dose was reported from Kolkata.
Earlier, Chief Minister of West Bengal had alleged that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government was not following the spirit of federalism in the matter of vaccination supplies. She had wondered why the centre kept the right of distributing 25% COVID-19 vaccines to private hospitals and not to the state. These are the recent developments in the state of West Bengal. For more news and updates, please subscribe Cub Reporters Club.